Hello everyone, today in this video we'll talk about La Trobe University Research Scholarship 2024. The deadline of that scholarship, this university is located in Australia, and the deadline of that scholarship is 31st March 2024. The stipend value is $43,500 per annum. This scholarship is available for masters and PhD students. So here we'll see the La Trobe University in Australia is inviting international students to apply La Trobe University Research Scholarship. This scholarship is for those pursuing master's PhD program based on academic merit, targeted research areas at the university. If you are interested, it is recommended to apply at La Trobe University Graduate Research Scholarship for better chances of receiving financial support. Established in 1964, La Trobe University is a public research institution located in Melbourne. It is third university in Victoria and 12th university in Australia. The university is dedicated to providing quality education that prepares the students for the future with passionate teachers. Global recognized programs. La Trobe University aims to empower a diverse student community with the knowledge and skills needed in today's ever-changing world. So the La Trobe University Research Scholarship, university is La Trobe University, country Australia, study level, master PhD, and deadline is 31 March 2024. Duration. The duration of the master is 2 years and the PhD is 3 to 4 years. Who are eligible to apply for that university? Applications are open for all international students. Application may apply for master's by research or doctorate degree in any stream. Candidate must meet all the following criteria: master's by research degree in a relevant discipline completed within the last 10 years is assessed with a standard of 70 or above. Bachelor's degree, master's by coursework, or ungraded master's by research degree completed with the last 10 years where you achieved a weighted average mark of 70 or above across any coursework subject. IELTS scores are required. Overall band should be 6.5 and now with no band less than 6.0. 43,500 per annum for 3.5 years. This scholarship will be opportunities to work with La Trobe's outstanding researchers, access to their suite for professional development programs. So required documents for full funded master's scholarship, international students scholarship, PhD, master's. So these are the required documents: previous degree, two recommendation letter, research proposal, supervisor acceptance, CV, IELTS or TOEFL, and other reference documents. Deadline is 31st. And how you can apply? Application need to enroll in master's degree by research or doctorate degree coursework at the university. After that, you can apply. And then the supporting document, research thesis, and candidate need to hold a previous degree certificate with excellent academic achievements. Here, how you can apply is register here. Okay, first you need to register, and then after register, then you need to log in and submit your application. Welcome to La Trobe University International Application System. If you are international student, you can use our secure online portal. So, and to begin application, select the register. First you need to register. Once you register, save, submit your application, and then and if you want to visit more about, you want to know more about the scholarship opportunities in La Trobe University, then I'll recommend you to, I'll add the link of that website as well in the description. So here there are like different kinds of scholarships available. flexible research. These are different scholarships which are available in La Trobe University. I learned add the link of that as well in the description. And yeah, and here for La Trobe, this scholarship which we were talking about, La Trobe University Research Scholarship, you can apply here. I will add the link of that page as well in the description. Yeah, if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly guys subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the notifications, and kindly like and share. Thank you so much. And yeah, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. Thank you so much. Bye bye.